Hey guys, my name is Joey and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm the product manager from Team RoboCell and we provide services for Shopify merchants such as abandoned checkout recovery and email campaign assistance. So today's video will cover how to ask ChatGPT to generate usable email content for upcoming festivals in 2 steps. If you are running an online store and email campaigns are part of your daily work, then this video is for you. So our goal today is to create complete email content from scratch, which can be sent to real customers. To get started, please prepare the following information to be used in the question to be asked to ChatGPT. So what needed here are your store name, your product category, your slogan, the countries you are selling your products to, the age of your target consumers, and the festivals you want to do campaigns for. And I'm gonna go with Banana Gymwear as my store name, and my product category is gymwear, and my slogan is "The sky is the limit." The countries I'm selling my products to, the US and Canada. The age of my target consumers, 18 to 40, and the festivals that I want to do campaigns for, all the festivals in March. Okay, so step 1, let's ask ChatGPT to generate the campaign plan and the email content for us. So here is the question we can ask. I am a Shopify store owner selling gymwear to people aged between 18 to 40 in the US and Canada. And our brand name is Banana Gymwear. Our slogan is "The sky is the limit." And I want to do email campaigns for all the festivals in March. So please list them in a table and generate the email for the first festival, including the email subject, preview text, email content in 3 to 5 layers, along with the font size recommendation, image usage recommendation, and a call to action button. And please mark all the colors I need in hex. Also, please try to use my slogan in the email content to build brand image. Okay, so let's take a look at what ChatGPT has generated for us. A table of all the upcoming festivals in March and email content for the first festival, which is St. Patrick's Day. That is correct. And we can see it provides email subject, preview text, email content in 4 layers. Oh, and also it gives an example of what email might look like in text description. It even generates the footer for me with an email address. That's crazy. Okay, that's cool. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2, we need to go back to EDM platforms to continue. So here is how we set up the campaign in Clayview. So let's click campaign and then create campaign and choose email. And I will have to type in the campaign name here, but I'm going to use the system generated campaign name. And I will choose a segmentation that I want to send it to, and then click continue to content. So here I need to type in the email subject, the preview text, and the sender name. So we can just copy them from ChatGPT. The subject, the preview text, and for the sender name, we're going to go with Banana Gymwear. And for email content, we're going to choose drag and drop. And for the email template, I'm going to go with Cyber Monday Early Access Sales because it looks much more general. So now we need to remake this email template refer to what ChatGPT generated. So I'm going to use the copywriting, the color, and the structure suggestions from ChatGPT. And I may make some slight changes. Sometimes it depends on your personal taste and experiences. So I'm going to speed up the video from here. And so that's it. The complete email has been generated, I think 70% from ChatGPT and 30% from Klaviyo. And then let's send out this email and let's see what I will receive in my inbox. Okay, so I think everything looks good here. So in conclusion, with the help of ChatGPT, we completed the task within 20 minutes, which will save me at least half of the time and effort on email campaigns. And if you are interested in more effective ways to use ChatGPT to help you grow your e-commerce business, please subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. I will see you next time.